For this easy recipe, we're going to use a sheet pan. It's one of those normal large size sheet pans, and I covered it with foil, aluminum foil. We're going to spray it. If you don't have any spray, you can use butter, maybe margarine, and and spread it around and get it all nice and greased. Then we're going to take saltine crackers and just place them like this into rows. And I laid them all out nice and flat. You just want to be sure you grease this first, and then put your saltines like that, and we'll go over to the stove. Here I have 2 sticks of butter that's melted. I'm going to add 1 cup of brown sugar. I'm using light brown sugar, and we're going to add this. I packed it in there. We're going to add the cup of brown sugar to the butter. It doesn't really matter if you use unsalted butter or salted butter. Either will be fine. And we're going to bring this up to a very nice bubble. Here it is. It started to bubble. Now I'm going to cook this. You want to cook it until the sugar is completely dissolved. It takes about 4 minutes. So I'm going to set a timer for 4 minutes. And it should be all dissolved by then. And here it is. It's cooked for 2 minutes. After about 1 minute, it started looking like this and bubbling up and all, and I like the aroma. But we're going to cook this 2 more minutes. And don't walk away. Stir it while you're here, because you want the candy to turn out nice and good. We're back to the crackers, and we're going to pour this over the crackers. You want to make sure you have your oven on and preheated to 350 degrees, because we're going to bake this for 8 minutes to 10 minutes. And it actually went for 4.5 minutes instead of 4, and that's fine. Nothing wrong. And spread it out. You got to spread it out pretty fast, pretty quickly, because it will kind of already start setting up. Okay, it doesn't really want to spread anymore, but that's okay. It's going to go into the oven, 350, preheated, 8 to 10 minutes, depending on if your oven is really 350 or 348 or whatever. 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, here it is out of the oven. I baked it for 10 minutes, and you can kind of see it bubbling, kind of there. Then you want to take chocolate chips and spread them out. Now this is the first time I made it. I have not made this before. But you want to put your chocolate chips. I'm using these, a package. They're 12 ounces or 11 ounces, whatever they are now. And I guess I didn't have to use this many crackers. I could have used less crackers on here. It will be good. And did I say you want to add the chocolate chips immediately after taking it out of the oven? Now we're going to give this some time to heat up those chocolate chips. So we'll be right back after, a couple minutes. It's been 1 minute. Let's see how these chips are doing. Ooh, that pan's hot. You want to kind of spread these chocolate chips out. Didn't that look good? What do you think about this? Tell me in the comments. Is this worth making? We're not done yet, but we're close to done. I guess I could have just used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like 8 by 5, and left this, or maybe even a bit smaller. The crackers, maybe had them 7 by 5, which is what the recipe says to do, and I didn't do it. You think you'll try this? You think you'll eat it? Do you think kids would eat it? Okay, we got that spread out nicely. Very good. Happy with that. Then we can take pecans. Put some pecans on here. Just whatever you want. You can toast your pecans. I never do because I'm lazy. You could put some pine nuts, but these are almond slivers. I think almonds would be excellent. You don't have to put any nuts on it if you don't want them. You can use walnuts. And as a matter of fact, I have some walnuts, so I'll put some walnuts on here too. Just like that. Put some pecans in between the walnuts. Those walnuts aren't chopped up. So chopped nuts I think would work better for this. And now this goes into a refrigerator. So you got to have room in your refrigerator for 1 hour to, harden up. Well, I've taken it out of the fridge. And that's nice. It lifts right out. Okay, I already got chocolate on me. All right. I like the looks of this the best, the pecan area. Well, I'm not sure. I mean, I guess the rest looks okay, but so what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of cut off the edges. taste a sample. Those saltine crackers add a lot of good flavor. That is delicious. So just cut it up the way you want to. It's really, really good. And you know, you can put it in plastic bags. Or if you have some of those round Christmassy containers, and put some in there and give it to somebody. But this is really good. I'm going to try that one. That's even good without the chocolate. I highly recommend you make this. You'll be glad you did. And I don't think it cost a whole lot of money to make it. Make it your own candy. Cut it in triangles, into squares, whatever you like. And enjoy and share. And thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it.